On 11 September 2024, the state had announced new amendment rule under the Kerala Factories Rule 1947. The said rule is known as the Kerala Factories Amendment of 2024. Under this particular amendment, there is two significant changes. Number one, the figure and symbol. These two words, as per rule number 8 subclause 3, the figure and symbol Appendix II is replaced or substituted. The word and figure symbol of Appendix III and cell completely substituted. And then there is another amendment after the word figure and symbol also substituted. The following provision is inserted. The provision is mentioned here, which read as provided that no fee of transfer license, provided that no fee for transfer of license. This is the major amendment. No fee for the transfer of license shall be levied except the amendment fee where a factory is closed and taken over another factory due to the reason of financial crisis. So in the reason of financial crisis, insufficiency of raw materials, non-profitable due to unsold products, shortage of labor, industrial dispute, environmental issues, duly certified by the competent authority. Competent authority will certify, then there will be no fee for the transfer of license shall be levied. So this is one of the major amendment. If I have to explain, or if you refer below, there is note provided by the department. This does not form the part of notification, but instead to include in general purport. So it is not a notification, but for the expression purpose, this particular para has been added. The government has decided to exempt the fee for transfer of license while a closed factory is taken over by another factory. So when there is another factory who want to take over the license of the closed factory, so the government have decided to exempt transfer of license fee. Hence, it has been decided to amend the particular rule of 1947. So earlier, even the factory get closed, if the another company is going to overtake that particular company, so there will be a transfer fees. But now with the amendment of 2024, there won't be any kind of transfer of license fee. And this particular amendment has come after having the needful process for doing any kind of amendment. That is, the government had taken the needful objection and suggestion from all such people in public who may get affected with this particular amendment. After considering all such notifications, after considering all such objection and suggestion received from the public in respect of this particular rules draft, then only the government have decided to form this particular rule of 24 under factories rule. So it's clear that now there won't be any kind of transfer fee when where a closed factory has been taken over by another factory.